Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. Today in this episode, we'll be making Italian pasta and pasta sauce. This delicious restaurant quality meal is super easy to make, and I know you can do it. There's a list of ingredients in the description below, as well as a link to the website. So let's get started. Now we're going to continue sifting the flour, first with a 40 mesh screen and then with a 60 mesh screen. If you don't have access to a flour mill, you can use this Italian flour called Tipo 00, and it is available at your local Italian store. Now we'll measure out 350 grams of flour. Next we'll add the 4 eggs. Mix them together. Then add that into your mixer bowl. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now we want to set up in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. One pound of lean ground hamburger. Roma Tomatoes. Five minced garlic cloves. 5 tablespoons of cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, or diced onions, freshly chopped basil into the mixture. Now it's starting to smell really good. Salt and pepper, mushrooms. I love mushrooms. There we go. Now all the ingredients are added in there except for one, and that's the red crushed peppers. So now we'll let that simmer. Alright, it's been over an hour. We've taken the dough out of the refrigerator. Now we're going to cut it up. Then we're going to take each piece, roll it into a ball. Stir your sauce from time to time. Level 1, setting number 1 on the dial. Now we're going to switch to level 2, or thickness number 2, which is actually getting thinner. Trying to make it thinner as we go along. Pass it through. So we're at the very last piece on number 7. Device that will cut the noodles, cut the pasta. So here we go, like that. And you can see how beautiful those noodles are. Isn't that amazing? Just lay them out like that. Let it dry for 1 to 2 hours. You fill your pot with some water and you add a little bit of salt. So there you have the finished product. All you need to do is add a little chopped basil on top as a garnish. If you like this video, please subscribe and click on the little notification bell to be notified of new videos when they come out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Join us in our next episode where we will be making these delicious cinnamon buns.